Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here. You're gonna learn about find method in array. So what it does is, as the name suggests, it will return the value of the first element in that satisfied the testing function. So let's do. What we're gonna do is var array1 equals I'm gonna throw a bunch of numbers, 2 3 4 4 no, I'm not gonna doing that. Real numbers now. Yeah, so 12 comma 8 comma 130 comma 44. Now var found and what it does is we will use the Array.find method. Inside that we'll pass a function. I'm gonna using al functions, and then what I'm gonna do, the element greater than 10, and after that leave it as it is, and and leave it as it is and log it on a console, and found and 12. So the first to satisfy that function will be chosen. So 5 is smaller than 10, and it is bigger than 10. That's why it satisfies the condition and give you as appropriate numbers. So hope you guys understand, and that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.